Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share a TAT story based on women empowerment through modern technology in agriculture. This story will help you understand how to build positive logic and inspiration response for SSB. So let's look the whole picture. A picture identification the main object. Here it is a hand press a button. Don't focus on small details, focus on the big ideas. Next, asking yourself what could be the background of this situation. Is it emergency alarm, a doorbell, or a computer button, or safety systems? Imagine a practical setting where this action is happening. So now finally image the result. Because of the action, people are safety, working being smoothly, or social benefits. Okay, so come to the TAT story. I will prepare the story the same, so watch carefully. The story is empowering women farmers through modernization agriculture technology and improve their productivity. Badam Singh, a 31-year-old block development officer posted in Kuttayam, Kerala. He is a dynamic, responsible, and believe in the power of technology for social upliftment. Badam Singh took the initiative to launch online registration for the Dron Dede portal. He started by switching on the computer himself and completing the very first registration to motivate his team, where with their collective and hard work, registration was successfully completed. Later, drones were issued to farmers and training programs were organized. Under his supervision, the team visited village, conducting awareness campaign in school campus on Sunday, showed informative videos clip, carry out biometric registration, compiled data, and actively involved educated village youth in the process. As a result, farmers, especially women, receive more benefits. Their crop yield increase and production cost reduced significantly. The community felt more confidence and independently. In the future, Badam Singh planned to expand this project to more village, encourage women lead self-help group, and promote the issue of the smart technology in the agriculture across the district. So friends, this was today TAT story. Notice how it highlighted leadership, initiative, teamwork, and social responsibility. These are the officer-like quality that SSB expects from every candidate. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more TAT story and SSB preparation content. Jai Hind friends.